best day. Today is the second part of my 3-part series with Luke JR of high protein meals. So if you haven't already checked out Luke's channel, I highly recommend giving it a look. He has some great healthy vegan meals on his channel, and he also has a bachelor's degree in sports management and nutrition, so he really knows what he's talking about. He uses some great graphics and shows you exactly the protein and other macros that are in the meals, so I highly recommend checking out his videos. I will link his channel in the description box below, as well as in a card up here, so you can click on that and check out his channel after you've watched this video. So today I'm showing you both my pre-workout and post-workout meal. My pre and post-workout meals really depend on what time I'm going to be working out. So on this day, I decided to work out in the morning, so my pre-workout meal was really just my breakfast. So if I didn't work out straight after breakfast, I'd probably have a banana or a small snack before I did my workout, so I have enough energy for my workout. But because my workout was only about an hour and a half after I ate breakfast, I was fine and I had enough energy from those oats. So it really depends on what time you do your workout as to what you need pre and post workout. But generally I'd recommend having more carbs before your workout and then having more protein after your workout. So the protein really helps with recovery and building your muscles. So that is why protein is recommended to have about 30 minutes after your workout or before that. Basically, it really helps with recovery, so I would highly recommend that. But if you are about to have a meal that has protein in it, then you definitely don't need a protein shake. But for me today, because I was going to eat lunch a bit later, I decided to have a protein shake. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you on the other side. Bye! So surprise, surprise, for breakfast I am having oats. I eat this pretty much every morning because it is so nutritious and delicious. I added in 2 medjool dates this morning for sweetness, along with the half a cup of oats and 1 cup of water. You just want to mix this all through, and then I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. You could also cook this on the stove, but I prefer the microwave because it's super quick and really easy. So after you take it out of the microwave, give it a quick stir. You might want to add a little bit of extra liquid here. I did add about a tablespoon or so of water. Then I added into that a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla paste. This is the first time I've had vanilla paste instead of extract, because I usually use vanilla extract, but the paste is actually so good, so I highly recommend getting vanilla paste next time you're at the supermarket instead of extract. It has the actual vanilla beans in it, so it just tastes a lot more fresh and authentic. So then I added in some frozen raspberries. I think that was about 50 grams, but I'm not really sure. And then I put it in the microwave for another 40 seconds to heat the raspberries through. You could use any other type of berries, but I just love frozen raspberries at the moment. So then I went in with 1 heaped teaspoon of peanut butter, as well as a sprinkle of hemp seeds and some cinnamon. This combination is so delicious. It's just so satisfying, and it's such a great pre-workout meal because the oats are a great source of complex carbohydrate, which means that it is a slow releasing form of energy, as well as the dates, which give a more fast releasing energy, and the fiber in this meal really helps keep you full for quite a few hours. It's just a really great meal to have, but you definitely would want to have it at least an hour before your workout. I had this an hour and a half before my workout, so it was really perfect. I felt really full of energy, but also I didn't feel heavy. I never really feel heavy after oats. They really digest well for me, but I would recommend leaving at least an hour after you eat before you work out. So then I am having my delicious coffee. I love this hazelnut mocha coffee. If you haven't tried it out yet, I highly recommend giving it a go. And then I used some oat milk because I love Oatly. Okay, so now it is time to work out. So today I'm doing a bit of an interesting circuit. I think I did about 5 different exercises, and I did each for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then I had a little 10-second break, and then I went into the next exercise. So you can try this out at home if you want. I started off with some squat to curtsy lunges just to get my body moving and to warm up my legs. Then I have gone into some step ups to overhead press. So I have 5 kilogram dumbbells here. I just like this movement because it combines 2 exercises in one. So you're basically doing 2 different exercises at the same time. Step ups are really good for your quads and your glutes, and then the overhead press is really good for your shoulders as well as your biceps, and it works your back a bit too. This is also a really good exercise for your core. Then we're going on to deadlifts to bent over row. So I'm using the same 5 kilogram weights here, but you could definitely go heavier if you have some heavier weights at home. So you are just bending forward, hinging from the hips down into a deadlift, and then when your back is about parallel to the ground, you pull your arms up to your chest in that bent over row movement. So this again combines 2 different exercises, which I just find fun as an alternative to a normal workout routine. So here again, I have another movement that combines 2 different movements together. It is a sumo squat with a kettlebell to a standing front row. Basically, yeah, with this workout, I wanted to do something different, so I tried to combine 2 exercises into each exercise. So then I'm moving on to some lateral and front raises. I used a really light weight here. I think it was 2 kilogram dumbbells, just because my arms are a bit fatigued. I had done a strength workout the day before. So I'm just using light weights here. And this is really great for your shoulders. Again, yeah, it's just really fun to mix 2 exercises together. I don't know, let me know if you try it out and how you find it. So now onto my post-workout meal. So I wanted to have a hit of protein straight after my workout because I wasn't going to eat lunch for another hour or so. So I decided to make this delicious chocolate protein shake. So it's just half a frozen banana, which makes it really thick and creamy, as well as some protein powder, some cacao powder, and some water. That's literally it. It's so easy. You just blend that up in your blender, and then I'm having it as a nice snack. As I mentioned in the intro, having protein after your workout helps repair your muscles. So if you're not eating a meal that is high protein, I would recommend having a protein shake after a strength style workout. So now, a couple of hours later, I'm having lunch. This is my favorite thing to do for lunch. It's to make a Buddha bowl style meal. So I start off with a few handfuls of a dark leafy green. Today I am using spinach, which is really high in iron as well as some protein. Then I'm going in with a serve of grains. So today I'm using some quinoa because I already had some pre-made, but alternatively you could use brown rice, something like buckwheat, really whatever grains you have at home. Then I'm going with a starchy vegetable. So I chose to have sweet potato today, which I love, and I just cooked this in the oven for about 40 minutes with some rosemary and thyme, as well as some salt and pepper. Then I'm going in with some fresh veggies. So I've got tomatoes as well as some cucumber, but you could add in whatever fresh veggies you have on hand. And then I added in a serve of beans. I had these leftover Mexican beans I wanted to use, but really you could use any protein source such as tofu, tempeh, lentils, really whatever you have at home. Then I added in some avocado that I mashed up with a bit of lime juice and some salt and pepper. And then I also had some homemade hummus. Again, I wanted to use it up, so I added it in as like an extra kind of dressing or sauce for this meal. Then I put in some fresh coriander. You could use any other fresh herbs you have. It's a really great wholesome meal packed full of nutrients, and I highly recommend you give this a go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below what you thought of the video. Did you like the pre-workout and post-workout meals? Do you want to see more videos like this? Obviously, I eat different foods every day, so this isn't a representation of my complete diet, but it does show an example of what I might eat before and after a workout. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, I hope you have the best day. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below and click the bell notification button if you want to be notified each time I post a new video, which at the moment is every Wednesday and Sunday. So with that, I hope you have an amazing day. I will see you in my next video. Bye!